Hello guys, David from Popup-CarWash here. We have another GT3 RS in our workshop, but we don't want to bore you. That car is already converted to GT3 RS MR. We're gonna remove existing film and replace it for our track day kit. Track day kit means full front with thicker film on the bumper, rocker panel kit, and as you see, we have a nice black lights. We should protect them. Customer is running 659 on the track. That's pretty cool. But next target is 649. That's why customer gave this GT3 RS to Mantai Racing. We change it for GT3 RS MR. As you see already, nice new wheels, magnesium wheels. What we're gonna do now is unwrap the car, clean it, prepare for wrap, cut the patterns, and wrap the car.